Check out this little keychain with cherries. I love this. I think it's originally a Coach design. Coach has these amazing keychains and it feels Coach quality, to be honest. This is a sturdy metal, not some chintzy alloy thing. And the little sparkly cherries here are held on pretty tight. And I think this item probably goes well with a lot of items you too might already own. I put this on a few of my bags. It's not a lightweight object, mine, so if you don't mind carrying a little bit of extra weight around, this will be no problem. But for lightweight traveling, I'd leave this one behind. Very cute. And of course, it is a keychain, so you could put your keys on here. But in my opinion, this is just way too cute for a keychain. Also bulky too in my bag, so I'd much prefer to use this just as a little bag accessory. Very cute.